So are you a business owner who is using forms to capture the leads? So this automation is for you. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Typeform leads to Sendinblue account automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. Typeform is a form building software application and Sendinblue is an email marketing platform. So the idea here is that you have created a form using Typeform. Now you want that whenever a customer fills the form in your Typeform account, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a contact in your Sendinblue account. For this, we need to create a connection between Typeform and Sendinblue so that whenever a form is submitted, automatically a contact is created. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Typeform with Sendinblue automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular automation, we are using two software applications. The first one is Typeform. So in place of Typeform, we can also use Jotform, Paperform, Google Forms or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is Sendinblue, which is an email marketing platform. So in place of Sendinblue, we can also use MailChimp, MailerLite, MailerCloud or any other email marketing platform. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Typeform leads to Sendinblue. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Typeform contact form, automatically the contact should get created into your Sendinblue account. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Typeform. In the trigger event, we have to select new entry, click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Typeform. Now it is asking Pabbly Connect wants access to your Typeform account. So let's click on accept. Authorization successful and now the Typeform account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Typeform account. So make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Typeform account. Now here we have to select the form name. So I have already created some forms in my Typeform account. So we are going to use contact form in this particular automation. And here in this particular contact form, I have taken the basic fields for the first name, last name, email address and the mobile number of the customer. So if you want to add some more questions or some more fields, you can click on this plus sign and you can add the questions as per your requirement. And when you are done creating your form, then just click on publish option. Okay. Then in order to share it with your customers or in order to get it embedded on a website, you need the form link. So from clicking on this share button, you can get the form link. Okay. So I have already opened the form in a new tab. But before that, I'll just select the form name over here. That is the contact form in Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just go to the form. Let us give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com and let's add the mobile number. Click on Submit. Thanks for completing this type form. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission, all the details of the customer are captured over here. Okay, and here we can find the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address, contact number. So now we want that using these details, automatically a contact should get created into your Sendinblue account. So come to this action window and here in the choose application, let us find Sendinblue. In the action event, we have to select create or update contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Sendinblue account. Click on your username on the top right area and select SMTP and API from the drop down menu and you will find the API keys. So I'll just directly take you to my Sendinblue account. Here we will be clicking on this connect button. And here we can find SMTP and API option. Click on it. And here we can find the API keys. So I'm just going to create a new API key over here by clicking on this plus sign. And here we have to give the name to the API key. So let us give it as Typeform. Okay, I have just spelled it incorrectly. Okay, Typeform. Okay, and let's click on generate. So here we can find the API key. Let's copy it. Click on OK. And we have to paste the same API key over here. And let's click on save. Okay, and now the Sendinblue account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Sendinblue account also. Now here we have to give the contact email, list and all other details of the customer. So we have already got these details through the form submission, that is the type form submission. So we are going to map all these details now. So let us map the email address of the customer from Typeform. Now here we have to select the list name. So I have already created some list in my Sendinblue account. For that I'll just go to the contact section. And here we can find the list. Click on list. And here I have already created a list named Typeform leads. So if you want to create a new list, click on this plus sign, add new list and you can give the list name and a new list can be created. Okay. So now I want all the contacts to be added to this particular list named Typeform list. So we have to select the list name over here in Pabbly Connect. So you can see that all the lists are captured. Here I am selecting my list name and let us map the details of the customer now. We have to map the last name. So the last name was Smith. Here we have to map the first name from Typeform, that was Adam. Here we have to map the SMS or other details. So we don't have all these details. So I'm just leaving it as blank. And here we have mapped the email address. So let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new customer or a new contact is added to our Sendinblue account. Let's check it. For that we have to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find that Adam Smith is added as a new contact to our Sendinblue contact list. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'll just go to the Typeform account once again and I'll just refresh it so that we can fill up the form on the name of some other customer. Let us give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as aryashikha12@gmail.com. Okay, I'll just add A also. That was Arya Shikha. And let's add the mobile number. Click on submit. Thanks for completing this type form. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Sendinblue contact list. Before that we have to refresh it. Okay, and here we can see that Shikha Arya is added as a new contact to our Sendinblue contact list. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using the details of the customer, automatically a new contact was created into your Sendinblue contact list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Typeform and Sendinblue using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.